this question we have, if x plus 1 over x is equals to the square root of 3, then x raised to the power of 2022 plus 1 over x raised to the power of 2022 is equals to what? Now, you can go ahead to pause this video to give the question a try. Alright, let's get solving. Let's start solving. Now, we do have that our x plus 1 over x is equals to the square root of 3. What is the first step we're going to take? The first step we're going to take is to add this left hand side of the equation. So we have that our x plus 1 over x. So what will this give us? We already have our denominator as x. Then for our numerator we have x squared plus 1. So we're going to take that back into our main equation. It is going to give us that our x squared plus 1 over x is equals to the square root of 3. Now, the next step we're going to take is to get rid of this x. So what do? We multiply both sides by x. When we multiply here by x, this x is going to cancel this x. Here we have the square root of 3x. So this is going to give us x squared plus 1 is equals to square root of 3x. Now, what is the next step we're going to take? The next step we're going to take is try to get rid of this square root of 3. So what do? We square both sides. Now, this is going to give us x raised to the power of 4 plus 2x squared plus 1 is equals to, then this square is going to cancel the square root here, we'll be left with 3, then 3x squared. Now, next step we can take here is collecting like terms. When we're collecting like terms, this one is going to cross over to the other part, and this 3x squared is going to come to this left hand side of the equation. So what it is going to be, it's going to give us x raised to the power of 4 plus 2 raised to the power of x squared minus 3 raised to the power of x squared is equals to minus 1. Now, plus 2 raised to the power of x squared minus 3 raised to the power of x squared is going to give us minus x squared. So we have our x raised to the power of 4 minus x squared is equals to minus 1. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, we can take this x minus x squared to the other side of the equation. So what do? This is going to give us x raised to the power of 4 is equals to x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. So we have our x raised to the power of 4 is equals to x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. Now, the next step we're going to take is to multiply by x squared. Now we multiply by x squared, we have our x squared multiplied by x raised to the power of 4 is equals to x squared multiplied by x squared minus 1. Now, according to this law of indices that says when you have n raised to the power of a multiplied by n raised to the power of b is equals to n raised to the power of a plus b. So we are going to apply the law here and also in this part of the equation. And what is going to give us? It's going to give us, we have about a here can be equals to 2 and b is equals to 4. So this is going to give us x raised to the power of 2 plus 4, which is 6, is equals to, and we're also going to apply it here, x squared plus multiplied by x squared, the 2 we're going to add up and we're left with x raised to the power of 4 minus x raised to the power of 2. So now x raised to the power of 4 minus x raised to the power of 2 sound familiar to you because we already equated them to minus 1. So here we have that our, we already solved this and had that our x raised to the power of 4 minus x raised to the power of 2 is equals to minus 1. So if you remember this, you are actually paying attention. Now we have that our x raised to the power of 6 is equals to minus 1. Now We already gotten x raised to the power of 6 to be equals to minus 1, and our question is all about x raised to the power of 2022. Now, the next thing we are going to do here is to try making this x raised to the power of 6 to be equals to x raised to the power of 2022. So what do? You can say that our x raised to the power of 2022 is equals to x raised to the power of 6 all raised to the power of 337. Now, because if you remember the laws of indices, that says when you have n raised to the power of a all raised to the power of b, it is still equals to n raised to the power of a multiplied by b. So when you multiply 6 by 337, is going to give us our 2022. Now, when we come back to our main equation, we say how do we make our x raised to the power of 6 and also make it not to affect our minus 1. So we're going to raise both sides by the power of 337. So this is going to give us our x raised to the power of 6 all raised to the power of 337 is equals to minus 1 all raised to the power of 337. Now, this our minus 1 is still going to remain a minus because we have an odd number which is 7 at the last part of 337. Now this is going to give us our x raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 337 is going to give us 2022 is equals to, we are still going to have our minus 1. Now the question says we should solve for x raised to the power of 2022 plus 1 all over x raised to the power of 2022. So we really have that our x raised to the power of 2022 is equals to minus 1. So now we're going to substitute. So this is going to give us minus 1 plus 1 all over minus 1. Now this is equals to this minus. We're going to transfer the minus to this part and we'll be left with minus 1 plus minus 1. So we have our final answer, which is x raised to the power of 2022 plus 1 all over x raised to the power of 2022 is equals to minus 2. Alright guys, I hope you got the answers correct. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and also hit the notification button so you are not going to miss any of this type of video I'm going to be posting. Bye.